The thing is, you can buy equipment from anybody, but what's hard to buy is that sort of personal service that Doug and the entire installation team provided. I'm John Graves. I'm a longtime member, and I've been on the building committees for both the church and the school. I'm on the school board, have been on the vestry, and played various roles. The school was founded 70 years ago in 1954, roughly 600 students, and is a well-regarded Christian private school in Houston. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey hit Houston. The church and school had a pretty disastrous flood and damaged about 70% of the campus. About 2016, actually, Chuck and my wife, Nancy, who is the director of facilities here, decided that the church needed an upgrade in terms of sound. So they actually got in touch with Ford AV. We started with a system that may have been state-of-the-art in about 1972. The building is wonderfully reverberant. It's great for the choir to sing. That means you can't be understood if you're speaking. So these speakers we have put in, the microprocessor puts little delays in it so that in every part of the building, it kind of overcomes that reverberance. The live streaming is great. It's great not just for church services, as I mentioned, graduation, school chapel, and a bunch of other events. Working with Ford AV was great. It was a long project with much hesitancy on our part, but Doug was patient and worked with us. And then we had this great team of people who came in and put it all in. And the thing is, you can buy equipment from anybody, but what's hard to buy is that sort of personal service that Doug and the entire installation team provided. I mean, every time we've had a question called, we've got an answer. That's really kind of what we hoped we'd get, and I think we got in spades from Ford AV.